Hey stylist, if you don't already know me, my name is Callykins. Today I have my 100 pulls on the limited banners for the fireworks season. I waited up until the very end of the season to do these pulls, so I'm really excited to share them with you. I did do these pulls live on my Twitch. If you want to follow me there, my name is Callykins. Without further ado, here's what you missed. I do. I saw a lot of people getting lucky on that, I don't know if it was the silhouette banner. Okay, so yes, I think it was the silhouette banner. This one. I don't think I'm gonna be pulling on the Breezy Melodies banner. I'm gonna save it for last. I already did my pulls on the permanent banner last night, y'all. I ain't really get nothing crazy, but we did get some more pieces to some other outfits that I needed, but we didn't get any 5 stars last night. All right, you guys. So I saved up my 100 pulls. I'm really excited for this. Let's go gambling. So I don't think I'm pulling anything on the Breezy Melodies banner today. That's actually my least favorite banner of the 4. What I really want is the Dance Till Dawn, the floral gliding outfit. That one I'm kind of obsessed with. And I think it's really the hair the most that I'm just like, I'm crazy about. But the whole outfit is super cute. It kind of reminds me of the outfit that we got last season for what was it called? It was another, I think, a gliding outfit as well. No, so see what I did was when I first when the banner first got released, I used the Ocean's Blessing for the dress, so I'm screwed. So, and then after things, you know, progressed, I was like, I really want that hair, and it's too late now, so it's too late now. But sparkles in the chat for me, you guys. Sparkles in the chat for good luck. Hopefully we can make something happen from that. I really don't care for the Enduring Bond outfit at all. Like, I'm gonna be so mad if I get anything. I'm gonna be so upset. Thank you, Kono, for the sparkles. I'm gonna be so mad. On the Skyward banner, I like the Stardust Flare outfit. I like it, but I'm really not trying for it. The dress, I do want. But that's like the only thing from the outfit that I want is that dress. The Midnight Vigil outfit, I want it. That's disrespectful. My ice maker is going crazy right now. But I'm trying to pull for the Midnight Vigil because the ability, I just want to play with it. That's the best whimsicality ability that we've gotten this far. Don't at me, I don't care what you say. Benny says I'm a hater. She's gonna get all of Enduring Bond. Probably. I'm gonna be so mad. I wanted the white shirt from the 4-star and it took 70 pulls. Oh no. Oh no. And then of course, this one here. Super cute. I would like to have it, but I'm not pressed if I don't. So that's really my little... I hope I get these. And obviously over the course of the next 2 days, I'm still going to be doing polls as I get them. So hopefully, if I don't get what I want today, I get what I want tomorrow or the next day or even later on today when I'm off stream. So I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I think maybe I'll start with the Firework banner. You guys, I'm scared. I know my heart's beating. Don't be scared, just be disappointed. Oh no. I'm sick of seeing this hair, not even gonna lie. Oh my god. You guys. Okay. We already talked about this. That was so shitty. I'm actually super scared. Let's pull on the blossom silhouettes now. That was terrible. Why did they do me like that? Okay. I'm also really excited to use my duplicates for the glitter bubbles, to be honest. Okay. So we got 2 things for that at least. Cool. Okay, we're gonna go back to fireworks. I just needed a little bit of like a little bit of hope. Okay, we're gonna try again, you guys. Sparkles, sparkles. Goodness, you guys, I don't know. And it got the nerve to be 10 pieces. Like, it got the nerve to be 10 pieces. Okay, well, I'm like, you for real? All right, you guys. What's this, Momo? What is this? Oh my gosh. I like those eyeballs. Let's take them. All right, here we go again. Okay. Watch me complete that whole fit. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh no, I don't feel good about it. Oh no. I feel like last season I was so blessed. I was so blessed, and this season I'm so scared. We're just gonna go into it. Here we go. Like, why would they even do this to me? don't deserve it. You guys. I'm gonna cry. Okay. But they know what I need. I need the dress, okay? I need the hair. The hair is the main thing. If I get the hair, I'm gonna be happy. If I complete the outfit, I'm gonna be even happier. Okay. We got 5 more poles here. The names are too similar to each other. I know, they need to get more creative. That just pissed me off. Oh my god. Okay, like, let's be for real. Does anybody, like, actually like this outfit? The Enduring Bond fit? Like, does anybody actually like it? Oh my god. Bro, my tranquility droplet's about to be... I'm about to be rich. That's for sure. No, yeah. I don't like it at all. I don't even know why they put that on the banner. It's ugly. Yeah, the abilities are always cool. But the fit is not cute at all. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm scared. Yeah, I really only care about this dress here. Look at this. You cannot look at this. Oh my god. This one is the best one. That's beautiful. I just think, okay, first of all, the hair for this goes crazy. I want to actually do hair like that for myself. But the fit is cute. I really want the ability. So bad. I don't know if I'm gonna be, I don't know how I want to like split these up. Look how cute that is. And then all of them. I like all of them. And then I'm just like, boring. Like, that's not cute. It's not cute. It's not cute. And I also didn't like the Firework, the free outfit. It was very steampunky, which I do love steampunk vibes, but like the overall outfit itself, I was not that impressed with. Yeah, it was not it. I like the hair. The hair was it. The hair was something. But the rest of the fit was not cute. They are not giving me shit on this banner, huh? I don't want that. Watch me complete that outfit, you guys. Okay. But still not what I'm looking for. Okay. Go do our deep echoes. Alrighty, let's roll again. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna complete that outfit. I'm gonna be so pissed, you guys. They give me the shit that I do not want. You see that? I'm gonna have to prioritize here. Do I want to continue to pull on this banner? Do you want to try for anything on Skyward? I have 27 pulls. And I'm not getting what I want over here. Because I would not be upset with getting anything on this banner. But the fact that I'm almost complete with Enduring Bond just pissed me off a little bit. I don't know, you guys. I'm gonna start needing more than 100 pulls for these videos. Oh my goodness. I mean, yeah, no, I'm for sure gonna complete Enduring Bond. I'm for sure gonna complete it. They're forcing it on me. But do I want to keep prioritizing this banner because I really need that hair? And just not pull on any other banner? 250 pulls? Cap. Ow. Cap. What do you need advice on? Here we go. It's complete. I'm pissed, bro. This is an angry smile. What the hell? She don't even look cute. Don't look at me. I'm so pissed. Get the fuck out of here with that. And they better not give me shit else for that outfit. Alright, last big pull on this banner here. I did not really get that lucky today. That just pissed me off even more. I don't want to craft it again. Oh my god. They really tried me today, you guys. I did not get lucky with these pulls. I did get shitty pulls today. But you can't win them all, you know? I think the other 7 I might put on this banner. I don't know. Because I also really want the doggies. I dropped my phone. I really want the doggies. I don't know. I mean, obviously, I still have a couple chances. The season isn't quite over just yet, so... But no, that does suck. I can't do another 10, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all on this banner. Why am I saying that? I really don't know what I want to do. When is tax-free weekend? I actually don't know. One more roll and you would have gotten a dress. I mean, I still have time to do some extra. I think we'll go... Let's see, I guess what we get on this one, since I didn't pull anything from this banner today. I didn't put any rolls on it. Let's see what we get. I only have 7 left. I can't even do a full 10, you guys. Oh, Lord Jesus. Love that hair, but it's a duplicate. Bro, how could I have... No. You spend money on this game, Kono, not me. It's not that important. It's not gonna ruin my life if I don't get the outfits. I'm not putting any money into this game. You're wild. If you subscribe to my channel and I'll put money into the game. Sub to me. If you got Amazon Prime, you can do it for free. Just so you know. Bro spent $1,000 on 4-star pools. Who? Who? Yeah, if y'all want me to spend money on this game, subscribe. Subscribe so I can use that money to better the content for you guys. Otherwise, everything will be free over here. But no. I mean, I'm only slightly disappointed. I know that I can, you know. But does Nightbot have hands? I mean, I don't know. I never asked the question. But no, I'm definitely still going to be playing throughout the weekend. I mean, I'm going to be playing tomorrow. And I'm going to try to get through some of these, oh my god. I'm going to try and get through some of these Call of Beginnings quests now that I'm kind of like getting to the end of the Firework stuff. Also, do you know you don't have to exchange your diamonds for pink crystals? I mean, there's tons of ways you can get crystals in this game, but like, what else do I want to use my diamonds for? That's all I want to use my diamonds for. There's nothing else in this game that I want to use diamonds for. There's 1,000,001 ways to get crystals in this game, if that's what you're trying to tell me. It doesn't really matter if I go ahead and just get the diamonds or get the crystals. It just takes 2 seconds to go into the store and just convert them. That's also for me to keep track of how many I even have. I'm not gonna do the math. I'm just gonna, I got 120 diamonds, I'm gonna go get a crystal. And then I have the exact number of crystals in my corner. I don't have to do math. I didn't even want that fit and they were telling me, bro, should I showcase it anyway, you guys? Custom. There it is. I was so confused for a second. What I need Dr. Pepper for? Dr. Pepper is for the hype games. This is cozy. Now what this girl even finna do right now with these damn cards? Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. I get Hisoka vibes. Wow. Cool. Momo liked it. I guess that's all that matters. Bro, I can't believe I did that. Lie to you. These polls really did piss me off, and I don't even want to, I don't want to talk anymore about anything. And the fact that I completely forgot to check my desktop audio. Kono said, what music? I said, oh shit. Kono said, what music, beach? I guess none. Yeah, and the pools were boo-boo. I'm so mad. I'm actually so mad about it. But we move on. I got a whole day of shit to do. And it is what it is. I think I'm gonna, oops, I think I'm definitely gonna like glow up some stuff. I don't know what I have. Ooh, I don't even think I've been to the realm of escalation today, so that concludes today's video, you guys. As you can see, I didn't get exactly what I wanted. I'm a little bit disappointed, but you can't win them all. I know you guys can relate to that. The rest of this stream is posted on my Twitch channel. If you like to watch others enjoy this game as much as you do, make sure you check out my Twitch channel at CallieKins. Also, if you want to be a part of my poll streams, make sure you're following and you have notifications on so you're notified every time that I stream. I thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See ya!